हमने कहा वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। अब तुम मेरे तरफ देखो। अभी आप मेरे तरफ देखेंगे। लुक एट मी। A very big hello to all of you. A very big hi to all of you. A very good evening. Very good evening. आदाब। नमस्कार। हाय प्राची। A very good hi to all of you. दीप भावे दीप दावे। दर्शन दर्शन दावे। दीप भावे दीप दावे दर्शन द्यावे। दीप भावे दीप दावे मग दर्शन द्यावे। Hmm. So, I want your complete concentration. My first question to you is मेरा आपसे ये पहला सवाल है और सवाल का जवाब आपसे मिलने की तमन्ना है, मिलने की चाहत है, मिलने की आशा है और हमें यकीन है कि आप हमें निराश नहीं करेंगे। Tell me, have you done the homework? Tell me, have you done the homework? Have you done the homework? Just check, look at me. In the first case, what happens is that this dy by dx is equal to. Now that is 3 kept as it is, this is derivative of x and plus this is derivative of just 5. So this is going to be 3 into 1 and that plus 0 which is equal to 3. Have you got? Have you got? Then in the next case this dy by dx is equal to this 2 kept as it is d dx of x minus d dx of 7. But then remember derivative of x is 1 so 2 into 1 and minus derivative of only 7 is 0 so 2 into 1 is 2. Have you got? ये इतना सिंपल है, ये आपके दायरे में आता है, आपके इंटेलिजेंस के दायरे में आता है, आपके इंटेलिजेंस के स्पीयर में आता है, आपके इंटेलिजेंस के चौकट में आता है और इसलिए ये इसे दिल से करो, दिमाग से करो, खुशी से करो। Alright? And then my question is in the third case what happens is 5 into derivative of x square minus 4 into this is derivative of what x and plus this is derivative of what 7. So this is equal to 5 into 2x minus 4 into 1 that plus 0. So will it be what 10x minus 4. ये आपको मिला है क्या? ये आपको मिला है क्या? वेरी गुड। तो अभी आप मेरे को बोलेंगे कि ये आपके कैपेसिटी के बाहर का खेल है क्या? बिना वजह फेल होने में कोई मतलब है क्या? बिना वजह फेल होने की कोई वजह है क्या? जो बिना वजह हो सकता है उसकी वजह कैसे हो सकती है और जिसकी वजह है वो बिना वजह कैसे हो सकती है? करेक्ट। जो जो बिना वजह हो उसकी वजह क्या? और जिसकी वजह हो वो बिना वजह के. And therefore, in the next case, what happens is 4 kept as it is. 4 kept as it is derivative of just x plus this is derivative of 5. So that this is equal to 4 into 1 and that plus 0, so that is 4. Is that clear? Is that clear? Now in next case what happens is that this is 5 kept as it is. This 5 kept as it is derivative of x cube. 5 kept as it is, this is derivative of x cube minus 4 kept as it is, this is derivative of x square plus 7 kept as it is, this is derivative of x and minus this is derivative of what, just 10. So this is equal to, this is 5 into 3x square minus 4 into 2x and that plus 7 into 1 and that minus 0. So this is 15x square, that minus 8x and that plus 7. It's so simple. Is that simple? That is very simple. Simple problems, ample marks. Simple problems, ample marks. But परेशानी ये है, easy problems, lazy students. Easy problems, lazy students. Lazy students till crazy dreams. Lazy students still crazy dreams. Crazy dreams. Crazy dreams. And yet, noisy attitude. This is derivative of x cube plus 4 kept as it is. This is derivative of what, x cube. And minus this is just the derivative of what, 7. So this is going to be 7 into 4x cube minus this is 10 into 3x square plus what? It should be 4x square, okay? So this is going to be x square, so plus this is 4 into what, 2x and minus 0. So it is going to be 28x cube minus 30 into x square plus this is 8 into x. Have you got? Have you got? Hmm. Good. Now if you look at the seventh question. Now if you look at the seventh question, then what you see is that this is like u into v. This is like u into v, so e raised to x kept as it is. It is going to be the derivative of x raised to 5 plus x raised to 5 kept as it is. It is the derivative of e raised to x. ये समझा क्या आपको? U into v, product rule is there. When product rule is there, well, you are going to use the product rule, UV rule. E raised to x kept as it is. This is 5 into x raised to 4 plus x raised to 5 kept as it is. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Is it clear? Is that clear? Hmm. And now if I look at the 8th question, again that is going to be the product rule. And therefore what will be dy by dx in that case? Is x raised to 6 kept as it is. It is going to be the derivative of log of x. And plus log of x is going to be as it is. It is going to be the derivative of x raised to 6. So it is x raised to 6 into 1 by x plus this is log of x kept as it is. This is 6 into x raised to 5. 1x would be cut. So x raised to 5 plus 6 into x raised to 5 into log of x. Is that clear? Is that clear? Now again I consider the product rule in the next case, and it so happens that dy by dx is equal to, now x raised to 8 kept as it is. It is the derivative of e raised to x plus e raised to x kept as it is. It is the derivative of x raised to 8. So x raised to 8 kept as it is, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x kept as it is, derivative of x raised to 8 is 8 into x raised to 7. Say yes. U kept as it is, derivative of v plus v kept as it is, derivative of u. Is that clear? Now in the 10th question, tell me which rule is going to be applicable. This is u over v. What is the derivative of u over v? V kept as it is, x raised to 5 kept as it is. Derivative of u means derivative of e raised to x. That minus. Now e raised to x kept as it is derivative of x raised to 5. And that divided by, this is x raised to 5 and that raised to 2. So it is x raised to 5 into e raised to x minus e raised to x into 5 into x raised to 4, and that divided by, now x raised to 5 that raised to 2 is x raised to 10. X raised to m that raised to n is x raised to m into n. कहो न समझ गया, कहो न समझ गया, कहो न समझ गया. Zarar, why don't you rule use of x in x square? I didn't understand your question, my dear. Zarar. Okay, okay. Very nice. Very, very nice. Now, I take your attention to the note number 3. I now take your attention to the note number 3. अभी कोई बोलेगा नहीं, अभी just मेरे तरफ देखो. I take your attention to the note number 3. And note number 3 is related to what is called the rule, is known as the chain rule. Rule is known as the chain rule. Rule is known as what? Chain rule. अभी जरा मेरे तरफ देखो. I take x. I take x. I take x. I take x. I take log of that x. And then I take root of that. My question is, tell me what did I do? My question is, tell me what did I do? I take x. Do something with x. I take x. Do something with x, I will get something. When I do something with x, I will get something. And then with that something, I will do something else. I will get something else. Take x. Do something with x. Do something with x. Then do something with that and you get something x. So this is root. This is log operated on x. Just मेरे तरफ देखो. I first took x, then took log, and on log of x I am taking what? Root. Of that log of x I am taking what? Root. Alright. I take x. I take x. First take root. First take root. And then take log of that. And then take log of that. क्या फर्क है ये दोनों में? ये दोनों में फर्क क्या है? ये दोनों में फर्क ऐसा है कि यहां मैंने पहले लॉग को अप्लाई किया फिर रूट को अप्लाई किया, और यहां मैंने पहले रूट को अप्लाई किया फिर लॉग को अप्लाई किया। इज लॉग ऑफ रूट ऑफ एक्स एंड रूट ऑफ लॉग ऑफ एक्स। समझा? इज लॉग ऑफ रूट ऑफ एक्स एंड देन रूट ऑफ लॉग ऑफ एक्स। ये ऑर्डर चेंज हो गया है, ये आपको समझाया क्या? ये ऑर्डर सिर्फ मैंने फंक्शन का चेंज किया है, वो समझाया क्या? क्लियर? वेरी गुड। ओम ओम, वेरी नाइस। कुलकर्णी, वाइफ को कहेगा इसे हॉट करनी। कुलकर्णी वाइफ को क्या कहेगा? इसे हॉट करनी। Now, what I do is if I want to take a derivative, if I want to take a derivative, look at me. If I want to take a derivative, I will go from left to right. I will go from where to where? Left to right. I will go from out to in. I will go from left to right. I will go from out to in. हम जाएंगे बाहर से अंदर। कहां से कहां जाएंगे? बाहर से अंदर। राइट? बाहर से अंदर। अभी जरा मेरे तरफ देखो। नाउ इफ आई राइट व्हाट लॉग ऑफ रूट ऑफ एक्स, इसमें लेफ्ट में कौन है? इसमें लेफ्ट में कौन है? इसमें लेफ्ट में क्या है? लॉग। अभी तो मेरे को बोलो कि लॉग एक्स का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? लॉग एक्स का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? 1 अपॉन एक्स। लॉग एक्स का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1 अपॉन एक्स। तो ये लॉग का डेरिवेटिव लेंगे तो मुझे मेरे को मिलेगा 1 अपॉन रूट एक्स। समझने की कोशिश करो, लॉग के आगे का जो भी है वो 1 अपॉन होगा। लॉग के आगे जो भी है वो 1 अपॉन होगा, and therefore log of root of x is 1 upon root x, and then multiply it by derivative of root of x. तो आप क्या करेंगे? पहले बाहर का डेरिवेटिव ले लो and फिर take the derivative of the inner function. So that is going to be equal to 1 upon root x. And my question is, tell me what is the derivative of root x? Tell me what is the derivative of root of x? What is the derivative of root of x? That is 1 upon 2 root x. So it becomes, I repeat, हमें पता है, आपको नहीं समझा है। log of root of x, मेरे को बोलो पहला फंक्शन क्या है? लेफ्ट में पहला फंक्शन क्या है? log। log का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? log का डेरिवेटिव है 1 upon root x, and then I multiply by derivative of root of x. So this is 1 upon root of x. Derivative of root of x is 1 upon 2 root x. But do you agree that root of x into root of x is x? Root 2, root 2, 2. Root 2, root 2, 2. Root 3, root 3, 3. Root 4, root 4, 4. Root x, root x, x. So you can very well write this as 1 upon 2x. कोई लिखेगा नहीं, पहले just समझो. I am not told you to write anything. Don't write anything. Keep the pens down. अपने अपने पेन्स को नीचे रखो, पहले जस्ट समझो, समझने के बाद लिखो। जब तक नहीं समझता कोई लिखेगा नहीं। माय क्वेश्चन इज नाउ व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट ऑफ लॉग ऑफ एक्स? अभी मेरे को बोलो कि बाहर का फंक्शन क्या है? टेल मी, बाहर का फंक्शन, पहला फंक्शन क्या है? पहला रूट है। Now my question is, tell me what is the derivative of root x? Yes, correct. What is the derivative of root? What is the derivative of root? Derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root. Derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root. So it is going to be 1 upon 2 root log x. ये पहले मैंने रूट का डेरिवेटिव लिया. Now that will be multiplied by inner function, that is derivative of log of x. And therefore this is going to be 1 upon 2 root log of x. What is the derivative of log of x? Derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. and this is therefore going to be equal to 1 upon 2x root of log x. 1 upon 2x root of log x. Is that clear? हाँ, तो अभी थोड़ा सा मेरे तरफ देखो. My question to you is, tell me what is the derivative of log of x. Tell me what is the derivative of. नहीं समझा, I know that. Tell me what is the derivative of log of x. Tell me what is the derivative of log of x. That is 1 upon x. My question to you is, tell me what is the derivative of e raised to x. What is the derivative of e raised to x? Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. My question to you is, tell me what is the derivative of root of x. Derivative of root of x is 1 upon 2 root x. Derivative of root of x is 1 upon 2 root x. What is the derivative of a raised to x? Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log of a. कुछ 4 या 5 फॉर्मूले है जो आप प्रिपेयर करेंगे तो फिर कोई दिक्कत आने वाली नहीं है. समझा? इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ इफ दिस इज ट्रू, अभी कोई भी चैट भी करना बंद करो. अभी कोई भी चैट भी नहीं करेगा. सिर्फ नहीं समझा तो चैट करो. स्टॉप इट. स्टॉप इट. नोबडी विल चैट. We are together, we are like one family, we are in and therefore we will respect each other, and जब हम कहेंगे chat बंद तो chat बंद. Now my question is, I ask you what is the derivative of log of 3x plus 4. Now बाहर वाला फंक्शन है log. अभी हमने यहां देखा log x का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1 upon x. log x का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1 upon x. Now, therefore, log के आगे जो भी है, suppose it is log of dot, then derivative will be 1 upon dot. log के आगे जो भी है वो यहाँ आएगा, it will be 1 upon that. Now my question is, derivative of log of 3x plus 4. What will be the derivative? log के आगे जो है वो होगा 1 upon 3x plus 4. तो ये derivative log जो था वो 1 upon है. Now multiply it by derivative of 3x plus 4. You have to go from where to where? You have to go from left to right. You have to go from where to where? You have to go from left to right. So derivative of 3x plus 4. And this is 1 upon 3x plus 4. Now what is the derivative of 3x plus 4? 3 kept as it is. Derivative of x plus derivative of just 4. And therefore this is 1 upon. This is 3x plus 4. That into bracket 3 into 1 plus 0. And therefore this is 3 over 3x plus 4. This is 3 over 3x plus 4. मैंने आपको ऐसा बोला है कि कोई भी कुछ भी लिखेगा नहीं unless there is a doubt. श्लोक, हर्ष, nobody will write anything. My question is, अभी सिर्फ वही बोलेंगे जिसे नहीं समझा है. I repeat, कोई जल्दी नहीं है. हमारे पास पूरी रात है. पूरी रात हमारे साथ है. तो log का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1 अपॉन. log का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1 अपॉन. So it would be 1 upon 3x plus 4. Multiply it by derivative of 3x plus 4. ये कैसे होगा? 3 kept as it is. Derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of only 4 is 0. And that is why it is only 3. And then. समझा? Is that clear? So this is equal to 3 upon 3x plus 4. ये समझा क्या आपको? I repeat. log of 3x plus 4. पहला कौन है? log. टेल मी log का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? टेल मी log का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? टेल मी log का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? 1 अपॉन. and therefore it is going to be 1 upon 3x plus 4. And then I multiply by derivative of 3x plus 4. थोड़े समय के बाद आप इसे डायरेक्ट भी लिख सकते हैं 1 upon 3x plus 4. That into bracket, it will be 3 into 1 and that plus 0. So it is going to be 3 over 3x plus 4. बारह आपको समझा क्या? ये आपको समझा क्या? Now I give the second problem to you. Will you try it on your own? Is log of 5x minus 4. करेंगे क्या? आप करेंगे क्या? हाँ करो. log का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? What is the derivative of log? 1 upon. So it is going to be 1 upon 5x minus 4 into derivative of 5x minus 4. So that is going to be 1 upon. This is 5x minus 4. अभी into bracket क्या होगा 5 into 1 minus 0. So it will be 5 over 5x minus 4. 5 over 5x minus 4. ये समझा आपको? भूमिका, श्लोक, साक्षी, अर्जुन, प्रांजल, very good. Very good. Riya, Sampada, अनुराग, अजीत, समझा क्या आपको? And then I consider the third one. You try on your own. Log of x square plus 5x minus 4. My question to you is tell me what is the derivative of log. पुनीत, बेटा समझा क्या पुनीत? पुनीत तो पुण्यात. पुनीत पुण्यात. पुनीत पुण्यात. पुण्यात. पुनीत. करो क्या हो गया डेरिवेटिव? log का डेरिवेटिव है 1 अपॉन and therefore this is 1 upon x square plus 5x and that minus 4. Now that into bracket. Now x square का डेरिवेटिव 2x plus 5 into 1 and that minus 0. So will it be equal to what? 2x plus 5 and that divided by is x square plus 5x minus 4. Is x square plus 5x minus 4. पढ़ा नहीं आपको समझा क्या? जवाब दो, जवाब ऐसा दो, जवाब ऐसा दो, जवाब इतने चुस्ती से दो कि एग्जामिनर का मुंह भी बंद हो जाए. एग्जामिनर आपके मार्क्स कभी भी कम कर नहीं सकते. ऐसा जवाब दो. समझा? Then my question is fourth question is log of 3x square minus 7x plus 10. करेंगे क्या आप? ये आप करेंगे क्या? करो. जवाब ऐसा दो, एग्जामिनर कहेगा लाजवाब. जवाब ऐसा दो, एग्जामिनर कहेगा लाजवाब. क्लियर? तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log of is 1 upon this 1 upon 3x square minus 7x plus 10 and then into bracket 3 kept as it is. Derivative of x square is 2x minus 7 kept as it is. Derivative of x is 1 and plus this is derivative of 10 is 0. So this is going to be 6x minus 7 that divided by this is 3x square minus 7x plus 10. समझा? Is that clear? Fantastic. 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 अभी डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log of x, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log of x, राइट। नाउ मेरे को बोलो पहला लॉग, ये पहले लॉग का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा, 1 अपॉन, सो इट विल बी 1 अपॉन log x, एंड देन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ अंदर का लॉग, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ अंदर का लॉग, सो इट इज 1 अपॉन log x, and derivative of log x is 1 upon x, and therefore this can be written as 1 upon x into log x। पढ़ना ये समझा तुमको, ये जो डेरिवेटिव लेने की प्रोसेस है उसको समझो, ये जो डेरिवेटिव की प्रोसेस है उसे समझो। यहां है बाहर का डोर, जरा मेरी तरफ देखो, यहां क्या है, बाहर का डोर। पहले आपको क्या करना है, बाहर का डोर खोलो, जैसे बाहर का डोर खोलेंगे वैसे आपको अंदर का डोर मिलेगा, जैसे आप अंदर का डोर खोलेंगे वैसे आपको और अंदर का डोर मिलेगा। तो पहले इसे खोलो, फिर इसे खोलो, फिर इसे खोलो, ऐसे खोलते खोलते जाएंगे तो फिर आपको मिलेगी जो चाहिए, फिर आपको मिलेगी जो चाहिए। यू हैव टू गो फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट, यू हैव टू गो फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट। श्लोक जस्ट वेट बेटा, वी आर गोइंग टू कम टू दैट टाइप लेटर ऑन। श्लोक समझा आपको, वेरी गुड। तो फिर अभी आप मेरे को बोलो कि ये डेरिवेटिव ऑफ log of 4x+5, हाउ विल इट गो। पहले ये बाहर का डोर खोलो, पहले ये बाहर का डोर खोलो, तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ बाहर का लॉग इज 1 अपॉन इज log of 5x+4। इज दैट क्लियर। हमने ये बाहर का डोर अभी खोल दिया यहां, फिर हम बीच का डोर खोलेंगे, मतलब ये लॉग, इस लॉग का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1 अपॉन 4x+5, एंड देन इट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 4x+5, so that this is equal to, it's 1 upon log of 5x+4 into 1 upon 4x+5 and into 4 into 1 plus 0, so that this is equal to 4 divided by, now this is 4x+5 into log of 4x+5। बारह ये आपको समझा क्या, पहले बाहर का डोर फिर बीच का डोर, 4x+5, 5x+4, नो बेटा 4x+5 है ना अजीत, दिस इज 4x+5 ना अजीत, कहाँ लिखा है हमने 5x+4, कहीं लिखा है 5x, नो नो सॉरी, दिस इज 4x+5, दिस इज 4x+5। कुछ कुछ बातें ऐसी होती है कि जो महसूस की जाती है बताई नहीं जाती, कुछ बातें ऐसी होती है कि जो फोटो से बयान नहीं होती, उसे तो समझना दिल से बयान होती है, समझा। कुछ बातें फोटो से बयान नहीं होती, ये फसाना तो, ये फसाना तो दिल के रिश्तों से होता है, समझा। तो फिर अभी मेरे तरफ देखो, एज अ सेवेंथ वन, व्हाट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e रेज टू 5x। मेरे को मेरे मेरे सवालों का जवाब, अभी अभी स्टॉप, स्टॉप द स्टॉप द चैट, अभी चैट बंद करो और फिर मेरे को बोलो, हाउ डू यू रीड इट, यू रीड इट एज e रेज टू 5x। इसमें पहले कौन आया, इसमें पहले आया e रेज टू, My question is, what is the derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. What is the derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. अरे 5x plus 4 नहीं है बेटा, ते 4x plus 5 है. My dear, it is 4x plus 5, not 5x plus 4. ऐसा में कितने 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 छोटे. Alright. Now derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. तो derivative of e raised to 5x is e raised to 5x. अभी e के बाद कौन आता है 5x. So it would be derivative of 5x. So it is e raised to 5x and then 5 into 1. Therefore this is 5 into e raised to 5x. आया तुमको समझा? ये तुमको समझा? पहले e फिर 5x. पहले बाहर का डोर फिर अंदर का डोर और फिर हमें ये जो मिली है वो हमें जो चाहिए वो मिली. समझा? समझा करो. चैट बाद में करो. पहले जवाब अपने किताब में लिखो. समझा? तैरना है तो पानी में आ. तैरना है तो पानी में आ. किनारों में क्या रखा? तैरना है तो पानी में आ. किनारों पे क्या लिखा रखा? और कुछ कहना ही है तो नोटबुक में कहो. चैट में क्या रखा? My question is, tell me e raised to 7x. How will that go? पहले आया e. What is the derivative of e raised to x? What is the derivative of e raised to x? Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So e raised to 7x is e raised to 7x. That into derivative of what? That into derivative of 7x. Clear? Now what it means is e raised to 7x into 7 into 1. That is why this is 7 e raised to 7x. Is it clear? Is that clear? Nine question. Try करो. E raised to 5x minus 3. करो. What is the derivative of e raised to? What is the derivative of e raised to? And derivative of e raised to is e raised to. So it is e raised to 5x minus 3 into derivative of 5x minus 3. So e raised to 5x minus 3, that into bracket 5 into 1, that minus 0. So that is going to be 5 e raised to 5x minus 3. समझो? तने समझो कई? तने समझो कई? Hmm. 10 question. You try on your own. E raised to minus 8x. E raised to minus 8x. What is the derivative of e raised to? What is the derivative of e raised to? Derivative of e raised to is e raised to. So e raised to minus 8x into minus 8 into 1. So minus 8 e raised to minus 8 into x. Minus 8 into e raised to minus 8 into x. Clear? Prasad More. Prasad More. More. M-O-R-E. More. 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 मोर. प्रसाद तू एक माझा ऐकशील का? आप मेरी एक बात सुनेंगे क्या? प्रसाद, तुझ्या बायकोचं नाव तू लांडोर ठेव काय? लांडोरे. लांडोरे म्हणजे मग ते शादी के मंडप में लिखा जाएगा, मोरे लांडोरे शुभ विवाह. मोरे लांडोरे शुभ विवाह. हो गया क्या आपका? हम्म देन 11 try e raised to e raised to 5 minus 4x ट्राई करो e raised to 5 minus 4x। अभी मेरे को बोलो e raised to का डेरिवेटिव क्या है। मेरे को बोलो कि e raised to का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है। e raised to का डेरिवेटिव होता है e raised to 5 minus 4x and into derivative of 5 minus 4x. So that is equal to e raised to 5 minus 4x into bracket this is 0 minus 4 into 1. So this is minus 4 e raised to 5 minus 4x. तो मैं समझा? Is it clear? Is that clear? Very fine. 12 क्वेश्चन अब तुम करेंगे हम देखेंगे e raised to x square प्लस 5x माइनस 2। सोचो करो। आपको समय दिया गया है और आपका समय शुरू भी हो गया है। करो। नाउ e raised to का डेरिवेटिव e raised to, so e raised to x square plus 5x minus 2 into derivative of x square plus 5x minus 2. So e raised to x square plus 5x minus 2 into bracket x square का डेरिवेटिव 2x plus 5 into 1 that minus 0. So this is 2x plus 5 into e raised to x square plus 5x that minus 2। समझा? हम्म 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 समझा है क्या आपको? My question to you is now tell me at the 13th question, e raised to root of x. सोचो e raised to root of x. Tell me what is the derivative of e raised to? Tell me what is the derivative of e raised to? Derivative of e raised to is e raised to root of x into derivative of root of x. So it is e raised to root of x. Derivative of root of x is 1 upon 2 root x. So that you can write as e raised to root x. That divided by this is 2 root x. This is 2 root x. Clear? 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 Very fine. तो फिर अभी मेरे तरफ देखो। I ask you what is the derivative of root of 4x plus 3। अभी पहले रूट आता है। My question to you is tell me what is the derivative of root x? What is the derivative of root x? And the derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root. Therefore it is 1 upon 2 root. This is 4x plus 3 into derivative of अंदर का फंक्शन है 4x plus 3. So that this is 1 upon 2 root. This is 4x plus 3 and then into bracket 4 into 1 plus 0. So this is 4 divided by 2 into root of 4x plus 3. But by the way ये 2 इसे कट करके 2 बनेगा। ये 2 इसे कट करके 2 बनाएगा। समझा? समझा करो। हम्म Then my question to you is, tell me what will be derivative of root of log of x. Root of log of x. What is the derivative of root? What is the derivative of root? And the derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root. So 1 upon 2 root log of x, and that into derivative of log of x. That into derivative of log of x. So it is going to be 1 upon 2 root log of x, and derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. Derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. Clear? Is that clear? You understand? You better understand. 16. Find the derivative of root of x square plus 3x minus 4. Tell me what is the derivative of root? And the derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root. So it is 1 upon 2 root x square plus 3x minus 4 into derivative of x square plus 3x minus 4. So that is 1 upon 2 root x square plus 3x minus 4, and that into bracket, this is 2x plus 3 into 1 minus 0, and that is equal to 2x plus 3, that divided by 2 root x square plus 3x minus 4. ये समझा? ये आपको समझा क्या? ये आपको समझा है क्या? Fantastic. Fantastic means stick used to drink Fanta. Stick used to drink Fanta. Now 17. Try root of log of 3x minus 2. पहले आता है root, then comes log, then comes 3x minus 2. तो अगर बाहर से अंदर जाएंगे, पहले ये आता है, फिर ये आता है, फिर ये आता है. 1 2 3. रूट का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? रूट का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1 upon 2 root. So it is 1 upon 2 root log of 3x minus 2 into derivative of, this is log of 3x minus 2. But now this is equal to 1 upon 2 root log of 3x minus 2. But my question is, what is the derivative log? And derivative log is 1 upon. So 1 upon 3x minus 2 into bracket. Now this is 3 into 1, that minus 0. So will it not be 3 over 2 into 3x minus 2 into root log 3x minus 2? समझा है क्या आपको? बाळांनो आपको समझा है क्या? तने समझो गई? Very easy. Yes. Yes, I understand. Learning derivatives is very easy and it's very entertaining and is an amusement, 18. Start. E raised to 3x plus e raised to minus 3x. I mean, my question to you is, tell me, is it looking like what? Tell me, is it looking like what? It is looking like u plus v. Is that looking like u plus v? And derivative of u plus v is derivative of u plus derivative of v. So it will be derivative of e raised to 3x plus derivative of e raised to minus 3x. बटन में ई का पहले डेरिवेटिव होता है ई, सो ई रेज टू 3x इंटू 3 इंटू 1 प्लस e raised to minus 3x into minus 3 into 1. So this is 3 into e raised to 3x minus 3 into e raised to minus 3x. Clear? 3 e raised to 3x minus 3 into e raised to minus 3x. ये समझा क्या? ये आपको समझा है क्या? Yes, my dear, we are going to take all the problems in the exercises. Clear? Now my question is, tell me, would you try it on your own? E raised to 4x plus e raised to 5x. Will you try? करो try. E raised to 4x plus e raised to 5x. Try करो. Try and try, but don't cry. Try and श्लोक we will see it. यूवी के एप्लीकेशन मोर क्लियर नहीं हुए हैं तो हम करेंगे, डोंट वरी. My question is e raised to 4x plus e raised to 5x. बोलो. How will it go? It will go like derivative of e raised to 4x plus is derivative of e raised to 5x. Now what is the derivative of e raised to 4x? It's e raised to 4x into bracket 4 into 1 plus e raised to 5x into bracket 5 into 1. So 4 e raised to 4x plus 5 into e raised to 5x. Clear? Clear? Clear. Abhi, 20th question. Start. X raised to 4 into e raised to 3x. श्लोक अभी मेरे तरफ देख बेटा. श्लोक मेरे तरफ देखो. Is it looking like u into v? Is that looking like u into v? Is that looking like u into v? मनु मी तुला करतो फोन बेटा. हॅलो, मी करतो तुला एक 15 मिनिटांनी करतो. ओके. So tell me, is it looking like u into v? Is that looking like u into v? Yes. So how is the derivative? X raised to 4 kept as it is. Derivative of e raised to 3x plus e raised to 3x kept as it is. Derivative of x raised to 4. So x raised to 4 kept as it is. E raised to 3x into bracket 3 into 1 plus e raised to 3x kept as it is. X raised to 4 का डेरिवेटिव होता है 4x क्यूब, and therefore it will be 3 x raised to 4 e raised to 3x plus 4 x raised to 3 e raised to 3x. बहनों ये समझा क्या तुमको? Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? समझा है क्या आपको? हाँ, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x रेज टू 4 इज 4x क्यूब ना। वेदश्री, वेदश्री, x रेज टू 4 का डेरिवेटिव 4x क्यूब होता है ना। गुड, करो अभी 21st क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट। x रेज टू 5 into e raised to 3x. Would you try? X raised to 5 e raised to 3x. Would you try? It's like u into v, okay? This is looking like u into v. So karo try. It's looking like u into v. Correct, 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 correct. तो फिर क्या होगा? देखो श्लोक, देख बेटा, what is the derivative of u plus u into v? Is u kept as it is derivative of v plus v kept as it is derivative of u. Shlok, u kept as it is derivative of v plus v kept as it is derivative of u. So x raised to 5 kept as it is its derivative of e raised to 3x plus e raised to 3x kept as it is and derivative of x raised to 5. Shlok, is that clear? I'm concerned with everyone in the class. I'm not interested in majority understanding. I am interested everybody should understand it. Everyone in the class. Not many. I'm interested in few. So this is x raised to 5. Now this is e raised to 3x. That into 3 into 1 plus e raised to 3x. And this is 5 into x raised to 4. So 3 x raised to 5 e raised to 3x plus 5 x raised to 4 e raised to 3x. श्लोक समझा क्या? श्लोक 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 श्लोक, आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू। श्लोक, हम आपके तरफ देख रहे हैं, आपको समझा है क्या ये यूवी रूल? कोई भी एक स्टूडेंट बोलता है नहीं समझा है तो आई गेट रेस्टलेस, आई एम अपसेट। आई वांट एवरीवन टू अंडरस्टैंड, आई वांट एवरीवन टू अंडरस्टैंड। ये आपको समझा है क्या? तो फिर अभी ट्राई करो 22nd ट्राई x raised to 5 into log of 3x plus 4. Go start. X raised to 5. Now is it looking like what UV rule? Is that looking like U into V rule? This is U, this is V. Check. So x raised to 5 kept as it is. Then derivative of log is 1 upon. So 1 upon 3x plus 4 into 3 into 1 plus 0 plus log of 3x plus 4 kept as it is. Derivative of x raised to 5 is 5 into x raised to 4. ये समझा है आपको? So this is just going to be 3 x raised to 5 over 3x plus 4 plus 5 x raised to 4 into log of 3x plus 4. समझा है बेटा आपको? बाळांनो, आपको समझा है क्या? Very nice. 23rd. Go start now. Go start now. X raised to 4 into e raised to 2x. करो try. X raised to 4 into e raised to 2x. हाँ, you can take common, no problem. You can take common, no problem. But common लेने के लिए कुछ वजह भी तो होनी चाहिए। दिसलं की बाहेर काढायचं का? दिसलं की बाहेर काढायचं का नाही की नाही त्याला काहीतरी कारण पाहिजे की नाही उसको कोई पर्पज होना चाहिए की नाही नाहीतर दिसलं की काढलं दिसलं की काढलं ऐसा कैसा चलेगा राईट म्हणजे कळ्या तुमको तो x raised to 4 kept as it is derivative of e raised to 2x plus e raised to 2x kept as it is derivative of x raised to 4. So x raised to 4 kept as it is. Now derivative of e raised to 2x is what? E raised to 2x into 2 into 1 plus e raised to 2x into 4x cube. अब इजी लगने लगा है कि नहीं लगा है अभी आपको समझा है क्या तो फिर दिस इज इक्वल टू 2 x raised to 4 e raised to 2x plus 4 x raised to 3 e raised to 2x ये समझा ये आपको समझा है क्या हम्म अभी आप होमवर्क करेंगे क्या होमवर्क करेंगे क्या कल का लेक्चर ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होगा क्योंकि विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद द टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस तो होमवर्क करेंगे क्या स्टार्ट फर्स्ट log of 3x minus 2 second log of 5x square plus 4 third log of x square minus 4x plus 5 fourth e raised to 7x fifth e raised to x square plus 4 sixth e raised to 7x minus 1 7 e raised to x square minus 2x plus 3 8 8 x raised to 3 into e raised to 5x ninth x raised to 4 into log of 4x plus 3 and 10th x raised to 5 into log of 3x plus 7 करेंगे क्या 10 क्वेश्चंस को आप समझा है क्या तो फिर इन 10 क्वेश्चंस को पूरा करो You just have to complete these 10 questions. Tomorrow we should start with the first type of question. 1, 2, 3. Give me 4 days. You just have to give me 4 days and I will give you full derivative of confidence. Just you have to give me 4 days and I will give you the confidence required. Okay. Then good night. काय म्हणायचं गोड नाईट क्या कहने का गुड नाइट नहीं कहने का गोड नाइट गोड गोड नाइट गोड नाइट okay 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 so here we stop